In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set weight and dimensions for Woocommerce products. Setting up precise weight and dimensions for your products is crucial not only for shipping calculations, but also for helping your customers understand exactly what they're purchasing. Let's dive right in and get your product details set up accurately on Woocommerce. First, head over to WordPress.com. This is your starting point for everything related to managing and customizing your website. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to click on the Login button. Enter your login credentials to proceed to your WordPress dashboard, which serves as the command center for your site. Here, you'll have access to all your administrative tools and can manage your store effectively. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, the next step is to navigate to WooCommerce settings. You can find this option in the menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on it will take you to another menu. From there, you'll want to locate and click on Products. This option brings you to a page dedicated to managing all aspects related to your store's products. After clicking on Products, you should now see several tabs. Look for the tab labeled Measurements. Clicking this tab will allow you to configure the necessary details regarding weight and dimensions for your items. Having this information set up properly ensures that customers know what to expect and can help prevent misunderstandings or returns. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the specific measurements for your products. This is where you add details like weight and dimensions. Accurate input here is essential since it can affect shipping costs and delivery options. Be sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. While setting these parameters, it's also a good opportunity to reassess your current product listings. Reflect on whether the information provided is as clear and accurate as possible. Updating product pages with additional details can enhance the shopping experience and boost customer satisfaction. Lastly, remember that good measurements are more than just numbers. They represent an important part of the customer relationship. By providing thorough and precise details, you're building trust with buyers, making it more likely that first-time customers will become repeat buyers. That's it for today's brief tutorial on setting up WooCommerce product measurements. Each step is designed to ensure that your customers have all the information they need for an informed purchase. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this has been helpful in setting up your e-commerce store for success.